Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us for our most recent quarter webcast. We apologize to everybody for interrupting lunchtime in Toronto and New York. It was the first time we'd planned one of these, and we got some feedback on that, and we will be fixing it next time. We'd like to bring your attention to our forward-looking statement slide. We're not going to read the whole thing to you, but if you could make sure that you understand that we may be discussing things that are forward-looking in this presentation, and read the disclaimer appropriately. What we wanted to do was give a brief overview of the AFIRS technology. AFIRS is a patented technology. AeroMechanical Services owns the patent on that technology. There's other patents been applied for, some in the works, some are being moved to through the patent office, and we continue to expand the items that are patented in the technology that we deliver. AFIRS covers a broad range of products. There's products that we buy from third parties, which we call an AFIRS 110, which we install on our aircraft. We have AFIRS 220, which is our current product and one that's been delivered on more than 250 aircraft on the planet today. Not all of those aircraft are flying, but it has been installed successfully on many aircraft around the world. The AFIRS 228 is our next generation product, which doesn't replace the 220 but adds functionality for customers that need additional functionality. The AFIRS Uptime solution is a complete solution of airborne hardware, ground software, communications through the Iridium satellite network, and delivery of the data to customers anywhere on the planet through multiple means. Some of our key partners, people have asked for updates on what's going on. As everyone knows, we signed an agreement with L3 Communications last year. L3 is a provider of black box technology, the largest provider of black box technology in the world. They deal with all of the OEMs around the planet, and we are working with them, with OEMs and various providers, to install our products in aircraft from the OEMs around the world. L3 has got a lot of products which are complementary to AMS, and we work with them with their QAR products, we work with them with their black box, DVR, FDR or flight data recorders, CVR or cockpit voice recorders. And we're also working with them with an electronic flight bag product that they've brought out, which works in airline or business aircraft applications. So the L3 relationship is moving forward. We are very pleased to be working with L3 on many opportunities, and think that that partnership is going to bear fruit this year and certainly in the years to come. The next partner I'd like to talk about is the Iridium partnership. We've been a partner with Iridium for nearly 8 years. Iridium decided to do short burst data after they came out of receivership. They were originally owned by Motorola and went into receivership. They were bought out by a group of investors, which is headed by Paul Allen. And we have been a key provider of Iridium services, both voice and data, for 8 years now. We've worked very closely with Iridium with our FLYHT product, which is data streaming from an aircraft. That product, FLYHT, is covered by our AFIRS patent, and we've demonstrated it around the world now. I'm going to talk a little bit about presentations we did in China, where we demonstrated on aircraft equipped in China in a few minutes. We've worked from with the BEA in France. We're working with Optimi in Europe. We have also installed FLYHT on Boeing and Airbus aircraft and demonstrated it to customers around the globe. We believe that that technology is going to help customers flying in remote areas where radar coverage is not available, to allow them to discuss or to track their aircraft and get data from their aircraft as required. Our next partner that I'd like to talk about is Sierra Nevada Corp. Sierra Nevada is a company that we've contracted with to do our manufacturing and some of the development on our 228. They're also a partner for marketing to the military. Senior management from Sierra Nevada was up this week to work with us to on the 228 program and to talk about rollouts in military and other applications. We're very, very happy with the Sierra Nevada Corporation relationship. They've contributed resources, they've contributed cash, and they've contributed to our ability to deliver world-class aviation products. So things are going very well with Sierra Nevada, and we believe that the product is going to be superior to anything else on the market because of the strength of the Sierra Nevada Corporation, and we are going to, we're looking forward to further work with them in the coming years. The next partner I'm going to talk about is Meggitt. As most of you know, several years ago we signed a relationship with Meggitt. Meggitt is a world-class avionics provider, provides engine vibration monitoring for every turbine engine on the planet. At recent meetings in Farnborough, we attended the Farnborough Air Show with L3, and in meetings with Meggitt, there's 2 or 3 programs that we continue to work with them, with the OEMs, to get our products installed with Meggitt products at Boeing and other OEM partners of theirs. Meggitt is a very strong company, and the slowdown in the economy has affected them like everybody else. So we are in the process of working with them to help them in the aftermarket market, which they're not used to marketing in, and providing our services as part of a bundled package with Meggitt. So by no means is that partnership dead. There's ongoing work going on with them, and we look forward to things happening later this year and early next year with Meggitt. The next partner I'd like to talk about is FLYHT. We've recently signed an agreement with FLYHT to provide the open port technologies that FLYHT has developed in conjunction with Iridium to provide higher bandwidth capabilities through the Iridium satellite network. FLYHT was up last week to go through some opportunities that we're working together with them. We can provide up to 19.2K baud now, as well as 3 voice channels through a single Iridium antenna. That gives us the capability to do a lot more with our products and to work with FLYHT to provide products that complement their services with their customers around the globe. I'd like to talk about our partners, our customers around the globe. As you can see from the chart, we've had some growth in pretty well all parts of the world except Canada. We signed a new customer in Europe. We've signed actually 2 new customers in Africa this year. Last quarter we made shipments in the Middle East, to Australasia, to China. There were 2 new shipments, and I'm going to talk about China more in a minute here. The US took 2 new shipments, and we shipped 2 more units to Central and South America. So we are seeing some recovery in the market. We are seeing our customers adding aircraft and adding capabilities. We do have new customers signed up, which is helping to replenish the backlog. The backlog got pretty well eaten up last year, and our sales team has been working hard this year to refocus our sales efforts and to come up with new customers, new opportunities, and new products around the globe. Those programs are starting to pay off today, and we are signing new customers as we go. What happened in Q2? Q2 grew the business from Q1. It wasn't as good as Q2 last year. Q2 last year was an exceptional quarter for us, but we did grow the business. We grew both the number of installs and the revenues last quarter. We see that trend continuing, and as the new sales come in, we see it ramping up quite quickly. The next thing that happened in Q2 was progress on the OEM front. We did make some inroads with European OEMs and North American OEMs. We hope to have announcements in the next quarter or 2 from those OEMs, and are very happy that people have seen the opportunity to work with our technologies to improve their customer service to their end users. So I think there's some exciting things coming in the not too distant future. Having said that, working in aviation, I found out that the not too distant future can be a lot further than investors think it should be. So I'm not going to give you dates, but we do see progress and things moving in that regard. Our next point is that we have moved our products forward. We've added functionality in our hardware on board, we've added functionality on our software, and we continue to expand our list of both STCs for various aircraft types around the world, and the products that we provide to our customers that help them save money, improve their business performance, and continue to grow their businesses.